2 minutes and we are live. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. I hope everybody's doing all right today. I got a little bit of pain in my mouth, so if I've got a lisp, I don't even know what's going on. I'm okay, but I think I've got a lack of sleep, and you know what? The immune system's probably catching up with me. But guys, you know what else is catching up today? Bitcoin is catching up. My tongue is hard to move. Very weird. Bitcoin back above $68,000 this morning. Very, very good to see. Boom shakalaka. Welcome back, everybody in the chat. Shout out to It's Wade, Killer Dragon, Matt Crafter, John 316, Servando Estrada. I can still roll. In fact, I think I've got the better lisp for my like Spanish accent there. That's what they do in Spain. They have more of a like a behind their S's, behind their S's. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, everybody. Enough of my lispy rant. Today, we got to talk about what's going on in crypto. I bought my first Sui meme coin. Oops. I'm going to buy some more today. Finally downloaded the Sui wallet. Got some data for you guys on Sui, which is dancing around that $2 level as we've talked about. I did not have dental work. I've got a tongue ulcer. That's gross. I don't even want to say that word again. It's from lack of sleep, dehydration, and spicy foods, one or the other. And I've done all those things. So there you go. No, that's not the one that I got on Sui. But let me know what your Sui memes are in the comments down below. Anyway, let's look at some of the top gainers, top losers. I got a couple stories I want to go through today. Italy wants to raise their taxes on Bitcoin. We've got the traditional market that I want to take a peek at. It's Wade says the side effects of crypto is more like the side effects of having a new child in this world. It has been a doozy. And crypto. Though I'm actually very low stressed on my crypto these days. I really could not care less about the volatility in this market. Yes, I'm growing a little impatient, as I'm sure we all are, regarding just kind of like the time frame. We've been sitting here waiting on Bitcoin to pump, but all things considered, I'm actually feeling pretty good about crypto. Not a lot of stress. Not a lot of stress these days for me. So let's look at the top movers, top losers, top groovers today. Get into some of these stories. I got some good stories lined up for you that I want to share. Matt Craft says, I have kids and crypto, and the kids are less hassle. That's pretty funny. So today, the top moving coin is the FTX token again. Gross. So let's just forget that that even exists and look at Dogecoin up 10% today. Actually, this is a very substantial move from Doge. Let's just take a peek here real quick. Welcome to L44, you guys. On your way in, do me a favor, tap the like button and check it out. Dogecoin back up to 13 cents over the last year. We have been higher at one point earlier this year, back in March. Guess what March was? The all-time high for Bitcoin. So again, just like everything we've always said, when Bitcoin breaks its highs, you can expect coins like Dogecoin and some others to, oh, you know what I'm talking about, Brown. Yeah, Brown, you know what this tongue thing's like. It's painful. It's really painful. I'm dealing with some issues today. I've always got issues. But we know that when Bitcoin breaks highs, like it did in March, Dogecoin hit the highs. So we can kind of, just get ready and remember that as Bitcoin breaks out, your altcoins can pump. So you better be ready. You can see this tweet. Actually, I don't know what this is. This tweet, this is a post on CoinMarketCap, but I actually forgot to pull the story up for you, so I'm glad this is here. Interesting to see Dogecoin pumping today because yesterday Tesla moved 11,000 Bitcoin, $773 million worth of their Bitcoin to 7 new wallets after 2 years of sitting still. That's kind of crazy. Caused a little bit of fear overnight, I think, but then this morning Bitcoin just blasted back up, and here we are today, 67,900, call it 68K. Up 2% today. That's pretty darn good. And other gainers besides Dogecoin. Oh, there you go. Glad the FTX token is out of there. That's great to see. You got Helium, you got Bonk, you got some memes like Sheeb coming up a little bit today, and Stacks is up a little bit, back to $1.85. I don't know if you guys have been tracking this, but if you go over to CoinGecko, or if you follow me on Twitter, you've probably seen it. What is the #1 trending token on CoinGecko today? Can you see? Can you see? Welsh Corgi coin. Anybody? Have I talked about this? Yes, I talk about it almost every day. I've got a lot of Welsh Corgi coins. Why do I have Welsh Corgi coins? Because when you look at Stacks, seeing Stacks being ranked number 35 in all of crypto with a $2.7 billion market cap, this is the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi. DeFi on top of Bitcoin. The first dog meme token ever built on the L2 solution to enable Bitcoin DeFi. The first dog meme coin, that is Stacks. There's a reason it's trending. It's been trending for 3 days in a row. Have you been paying attention? For the record, by the way, I aped in with some more of my Stacks into this coin. Yes, I sold Stacks for Welsh at the end of September. That's a 2x. That's a 2x in a month. It's easy sometimes. This is a meme. It's extremely risky. It's at a $32 million market cap. At one point, it was at 100 million. I'm so bullish on Stacks. Therefore, I'm bullish on Welsh. That's my reasoning. And it's the same reason that I get bullish on, Mary or Caw on Kronos, because I'm bullish on Kronos, even though the Kronos coin is struggling. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Hold up. I saw this 9 cents and I thought it was up to 9 cents today. I was like, whoa, that's seller. Kronos, though, is back up a little bit today. It's currently ranked number 43. At one point, it almost broke down into the 50 rank. A lot of people have been complaining about Crow lately. I did a video about Crow last night saying, cool your jets, calm the horses, or whatever you want to say. Look, guys, Kronos coin is a coin that explodes at the end of the bull market. Is a $1 Crow canceled? I don't think so. Is a $2 to $5 Crow on the table? I believe so. When is that going to happen? After the parabolic moves truly begin for Bitcoin. And that's like 100K Bitcoin. That's like, and we're going to be creeping up. It's going to be 9 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent Crow. And then Bitcoin's going to be above 100K and it'll be 30 cent, 50 cent. And then $1. Bitcoin might be at 120K, 130K when Crow coin hits $1. And then maybe Bitcoin goes to 200K. And then boom, you got Crow coin at like $2 at that point. That might be how it pans out. Now it'll be talking about Gus. That's another meme. That's very low cap meme. Who knows? Caw is up 35% today. That is true. That is true. Memes are hot, guys. Memes are hot. What's down today? Popcat's down a little bit after getting a wild ride. This cat and dogs world coin was pumping the other day. It's up 36% in the last 7 days, so it's down 6.87% today. No surprises there. Let's take a peek at Bitcoin. Let me fix my Bitcoin chart. Shout out to all y'all in the chat. I hope everybody's doing all right today. All right. Yep, let's take a peek at the BTC. Everybody's talking about the BTC. So, I told you guys that we'd probably come up and touch this red circle. And yeah, bada bing, bada boom. We did. We did. We smashed through the red circle, in fact. And now, look at the body. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's so easy. It's so easy. This could be resistance, though, okay? This could be resistance. Bitcoin, back above 68K. This could be resistance. Or what we could do, which is what I was kind of predicting could really happen, is we could turn the resistance into support before breaking through to the next level. So we'll keep an eye out on that. Bitcoin at 68K right now, breaking through the trend line. Fantastic, wonderful, awesome, amazing. This is the moment. This is the moment. I'll get rid of this red circle now because it's not important. At one point, we saw Bitcoin all the way up to 68.4. Gotta get to 69, gotta get to 70, and then eventually to our previous high that we had earlier in March. 73K, things are looking fine for Bitcoin right now. We'll come back to Bitcoin here in a second. Okay, so let's get into some of the news stories for the day. Talked about Welsh because, you know, it's pumping, it's trending, that's cool. Looking at liquidation heat map, liquidations, you know, we had some more shorts squeezed overnight, but we had actually kind of a little more longs squeezed than shorts yesterday, actually, because I think because the Elon Musk news, Tesla dipped a little bit. Tesla, I mean, moved their Bitcoin, and so people were fearful that they were going to dump on the market. I was tweeting about that yesterday. I wasn't truly scared, but I was speculating because that's what we do here in crypto. We just speculate. As you can see, though, you know, we had some pretty big excitement, which is what got us from like $60,000 to where we're at today, 68K. That's because the shorts got wrecked. So if more shorts get wrecked, we can pump a lot higher, a lot faster. And the fun thing about that, my friends, is if you do look at the liquidation heat map and you look over the last year and you zoom out and you look at where we're coming up to a moment where we could see billions and billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars getting liquidated from the crypto market, potentially billions and billions and billions of dollars. So let's keep an eye on it, guys. I do think that we could see a massive move to the upside very soon. It is October after all, and it actually is October. I'm happy to announce, if you take a look at the Bitcoin percentage returns, October is almost bigger than September now. In fact, it probably flickered above that just the other day, but up 6.59%. Our average is 21%. We're still below the average. Bitcoin could bump 15% more, and that'd be average. That'd be average, and there's a lot of other factors that make Bitcoin a lot more bullish now. Who might win the election? I think that's making things more bullish. It's looking good for one individual. That individual will be bullish for crypto, I think. A $50 super chat from the Killer Dragon, my guy, the legend, Killer Dragon. Thank you, my friend. Just no comment, just straight super chat because you enjoy the channel, you enjoy the content. I appreciate you. Killer Dragon said a second ago, just keep holding Crow and Crow with Knife. You know what? I think Crow with Knife is going to outperform Crow, but I'll tell you, Crow is a great hold as well. I think, personally, it's going to be a parabolic move at the end of the bull cycle. That's my opinion on it. I certainly hope I'm right here. Shee! Thank you very much, Killer Dragon, for your super chat. Wow, what a legend. You know why he's able to give $50 super chats like that? Probably because he's been making tons of money from staying in the know every single day with crypto. Probably because he's following the crypto report, though we don't give financial advice here, right? But we do talk about these markets every day, and we've made some incredible calls. We've made a ton of money, and I'm sure you guys are making some money too. And we know that October and November are going to be very bullish months for crypto, historically speaking, and we're looking good right now. We're looking really good right now. So you got to feel good. You got to feel good. I feel good. Did you know that Bitcoin is now less than 10% away from its new all-time high? People are forgetting this. Some people are bummed out right now. Bitcoin is less than 10% away from its all-time high. Right now, back below 68, keeping an eye on this chart. People are forgetting this. It's so easy to forget and be impatient. You know, me and Black Sea, we've been talking. We feel impatient. I'm calm, but I am growing impatient. I mean, I'm annoyed. I'm calm, but I'm annoyed. I'm emotionally unaffected, but I am annoyed that we're not blasting off yet, but it's only a matter of time. Bitcoin just hit its highest level since July. And then, of course, the other coins are coming up as well, which is what we're seeing. Dogecoin, like we said, why is Dogecoin trending today? Why is Dogecoin doing well today? Well, when Bitcoin explodes, Dogecoin wants to explode. And Bonk is exploding, and Shiba Inu's coming up today. People like meme coins. It's crazy. Killer Dragon, hopefully pump a lot more and help my better help my wife and baby girl and you as well and me as well. Thank you, Killer Dragon. I hope we're pumping. I think we will be pumping. I don't have a lot of thoughts on that meme token. All I know is that community is very loud, David, and that's all I have to say about it. My focus on Kronos is Mary and Crow with Knife and Corgi AI, kind of. And anything else is way too risky for me right now until we see a full-fledged meme coin mania, and I've got profits to take from some of my tried and true plays, and then I can shuffle into some smaller positions. And I would say that that coin that you're mentioning, David, is one of those smaller positions that if things pick up again, you start considering again. Maybe you're of a different mindset, and that's great. To each his own. Definitely loud community. Definitely heard of it. So I'll tell you that. Definitely had some at one point. I don't right now. Bitcoin hitting highest level. Guys, October, altcoin's going to pump. It's coming. Italy knows it. Italy thinks people are going to be rich in crypto. So rich that, Italy wants to just raise the capital gain tax on Bitcoin from 26 to 42% because you can afford it. You're making so much money with that crypto anyway. Why don't we just tax you? Says Italy. Terrible idea. I mean, for crypto people, really just a terrible idea. But you know what? They can. The Bitcoiners in Italy can afford it. That is not a way to become a crypto-friendly place, though. If you want innovation in the crypto industry, you would be lowering your taxes on crypto, not raising them. That's common sense. And let's see. We get all of a sudden a new presidential leader here. Maybe that individual, he, him, her, they, them, whoever, is pro-crypto. That could be huge for us, guys. We could see some tax advantageous moves, tax advantageous policy in the U.S., unlike Italy right now. But it is a very interesting story. Again, Killer Dragon, my guy. Thank you for that super chat. S&P 500 hit a new high many times this year. It's just been blasting off, and today it's recovering from its downfall yesterday. Yesterday it came down quite a bit. Yesterday it came down, I think, over 1%. But today it's rallying back up, which is fantastic. And I've been talking about NVIDIA lately. NVIDIA is getting close to a new high as well. Yesterday was a bad day. Today it's come back up. I think if this breaks into price discovery mode, I think we're going to see this wonderful, beautiful AI token category pop off again. Probably, maybe. Let's see. Mr. Chor says, Mary might reach over 30 million market cap before the end of October. I don't know about that. That's a little aggressive. I love that, but I don't think that's a reasonable expectation. Is it possible? I mean, if an exchange listing comes, maybe. But anyway, NVIDIA is looking like it wants to break to new highs, and that could be great for the AI tokens. And here's the other thing that I'll say is Sui. I officially downloaded the Sui wallet. And I actually, I'll tell you what I did. I actually sold all my base memes, and I have a reason for that. I think people are more excited about Sui right now. I'm moving in and out of these things. I was thinking about having a long-term hold on my Brett and my, I think I had Andy and Toshi. I ended up just selling those. I ended up a little bit in the profit. I think I made like $300 in my whole endeavor in the base meme category. Yeah, I put in like 1,000. I left with like 1,200. I entered at a bad time. It only came down and recently just went back up. So, but now I moved into SWE. Okay. I moved into SWE. And you know what? I actually moved some of my smaller Stacks tokens. Now, some of these other Stacks memes that I had, and I actually moved those into, I'm moving those into SWE currently. I'm in the process. And so I've been hunting on what the memes are and, you know, looking at, you know, what there is to get here in this category. I mean, here are the top ones that are trending right now. SWE Llama, Hippo, SWE Man, Swoman, Deep. Who knows which are the good ones? I know that, you know, I've seen Splo get talked about. I've not revealed which one that I bought, by the way, yet. I've seen Splo. I've seen Blub. I've seen people talk about Blub. Blub is at a $47 million market cap, and it is down from its highs. Could it go higher? Maybe. SWE Llama is at a $1.2 million market cap, and it is also down from its highs. Also down from its highs. Boom. SWE Man is also down from its highs quite a bit. Hippo, which seems to be like the Sudang on SWE. I don't know. I mean, I'm not a big fan of like the mimic coins. What happened to Swedang? Swedang was a thing. Everybody was talking about Swedang there for a while. I don't know what happened to that. These are very low cap memes, guys. I don't know much about them. I'm diving in and taking a chance, and we'll see how it shakes out. What other memes are you looking at on SWE? I'm curious. I'm hunting right now. And back to number one in trending on Kronos, up 35% today, exploding to the moon. Crow with Knife on the move again, up 35% today. A big old blast off for this coin. Back to number one. Can it maintain the number one spot? It has been a battle between the Mystery Mary token and Crow with Knife. A little bit of a sell-off on Mystery overnight. Some profit taking going on. Still looking fantastic on the weekly candles. In fact, I was looking at this chart earlier this morning, and back in the beginning of Mary, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green weekly candles in a row, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green weekly candles in a row. If this weekly candle closes green, that is momentum. That is momentum. Did we just get another super chat? Did we just get another super chat? No, it's the same super chat. Killer Dragon, much love, much love. But yeah, I mean, guys, Crow with Knife, what a big blast off today. Why is it blasting off, might you wonder? Go over to the Twitter, and you will see what is going on. They've got a campaign going on right now. Crypto.com. Score a BTC bonus for building up your car balance. This is pretty cool. Now, when people are so excited about Mystery Mary token, it's because of the idea of it getting listed on crypto.com. Why is that so important? Because of reasons like this. Today, why is Crow with Knife pumping? It's because of this campaign. Here's the facts. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Here's the facts. I was looking at this morning. See this wallet address? See this wallet address? Wait a minute. This is all fake trading. This is all one wallet on Crow with Knife. This is crazy. Why is it all the same wallet address? No. That's crypto.com. That is the crypto.com wallet address. If you take a peek at the crypto.com wallet address, there is $1.6 million in Crow value, or $2.8 million worth of Crow with Knife in this wallet. It is the biggest wallet on all of Crow with Knives, out of all the Crow with Knife holders. It is the crypto.com wallet. So who are all these people purchasing? Is this crypto.com purchasing it themselves? No, it's actually people that are on the crypto.com exchange purchasing Crow with Knife because they launched this big campaign. So imagine a world where, you know, looking at the price of Crow with Knife, boom, blast off, had a massive pump when it got listed on crypto.com. People are waiting for that for Mary. What if a campaign happens like this for me? These are all what ifs. Maybe it doesn't happen for Mary. Maybe it does. That's the mystery of the meme coins, guys. A lot of risk in Mary. A lot of risk in Ka. A lot of risk in Brett. A lot of risk in Pepe and Sweetang and whatever. All these coins. Hold on, guys. I have a tongue ulcer, and it hurts so bad. It's terrible. Anyway, guys, that's what's going on. A couple other stories for you. Fun fact, the man who accidentally threw his hard drive containing 8,000 Bitcoins worth $500 million in a landfill just sued the local city council for not excavating the site. This story comes up every single bull market. It's funny. It's sad. I don't know how he's able to sue these people. I don't know. I mean, it's his fault. He threw away the drive. I mean, why would he sue that? I mean, it's his fault. It's his fault. This is in Britain, it looks like. Very, very interesting. Interesting. Another fun fact for you guys today. According to the CME Fed Watch tool, 94% chance that we're going to get a 0.25% rate cut. And that happens in a short 21 days, 23 hours, and 40 minutes. Bullish. Bullish for crypto. Bullish for the traditional market. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Gotta love it, guys. Bitcoin, $67,940. What's going on here with all these coins? SWI touching back down to $2. If I had to make a prediction about SWI here, I think it could come back down to $1.89. I've been mentioning, you know, got to turn the $2 level from resistance to support. I think that the $1.90, $1.89 is a good level to do it. Maybe we bounce here. Who knows? Maybe we came down far enough. But what's probably going to happen with the memes is they're probably going to come lower with SWI. When SWI bounces, the memes will probably bounce as well, which is why I'm accumulating the memes now, because SWI is coming back down. It's not at the highs. It's not all the way up at $2.35. All the memes on SWI are not at their highs. They're coming down. And so I'm accumulating because I think people are going to go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And in this case, the Cocoa Puffs are SWI memes. We'll see. We'll SWI. We'll SWI. Brett coming down a little bit as well. Pepe is doing okay, hanging in there. Caspa, undervalued. I think this is going to get a bounce off this level, go back to the top of this range. I think it's one of the easiest 2Xs I see out there right now. It's not going to happen overnight, but I think it's going to happen. Let's pull up Jasmy a little bit better. Let's see what's going on with Jasmy. I don't know what happened to my beautiful Jasmy chart that I had. Bummer. Yeah, I gotta find my Jasmy chart. Though Jasmy, let me see if I can find my Jasmy chart. There you go. There's my Jasmy chart. We're still stuck right at this range. Yeah, so here's the deal, guys. If Bitcoin can continue up and go, let's say, to 69,000. Why do I have 69,000 again? You know what? Let's just get rid. Let's just get rid of 69,000. Because who cares about 69,000? I'm going to get rid of 69,000. I don't think it's relevant. I think this is the better level. Just considering where we're at, this is the level. 70,000 because this wick stopped there. It had a couple wicks that stopped there. 70,000. So I think we could see this happen. You know, something like that. If that makes sense to you guys. Where we're going to test 70, reject off, bounce through, bounce off, test this, reject off, bounce through, breakout. I think November is going to be the all-time high at this point. October, it could still happen. It could happen like overnight. I mean, I could be egg on face there. I don't really care. The point is at some point, we're going to see the breakout. It's I mean, this is breaking out of this channel right now, but we're going to need to turn this into support. This is a big move right now. I mean, this is a very big move for Bitcoin right now. Manny Mo wants to look at Bell. Renem wants to check Tectum. I don't know what any of these coins are. I don't think they're important. I think that the focus right now is Bitcoin, the hot networks, Solana, Sui, Stacks, Kronos. What else? ETH, obviously, always. The big memes, AI plays. Maybe you're into the, what's the other ones people love to talk about? The DPIN and RWA, which I frankly don't really care about. Gaming. I'm not a big gamer. I'm into the AI and the memes. I think those are the two categories that are going to be the hottest. And there's inevitably going to be ripping, roaring tokens in all these categories, guys. There's so many different ways to cut a cookie. As long as it's chocolate chip. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, guys. I mean, I got through the news. That's kind of all I got today. Any other questions on the day? Let me know what you got. Let me know what you got. A little Q&A, and then we'll Chillski 5000 with some questions. One day, very soon, Stacks is just going to blast off. It's Wade says, thoughts on a Mary announcement this month? Like, is there an announcement that's being teased, or are you asking me if I think there's going to be an announcement, or is there definitively an announcement that we don't know what it is? Because I don't know if there is an announcement, Crypto.com exchange listing. I don't know. I hope so. That would be great. That'd be great. We'll see. But Ka is ripping. That's great to see. Crow with knife, ripping, blasting, making its move. It's been due. That's a really drastic pump. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Mr. Shore says, you and Black Sea related? You both look similar. We are not. We are brothers from another mother. Brothers from another mother. Homies for life. Oh, what else? What else is going on? Take a peek at Base Chain real quick. I hate when all these coins come out that are 5 hours old, 67,000%. I never, ever, 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 ever buy these coins, and I don't think that you should either, though. Admittedly, no financial advice, so... Memes on Base Chain, huh? You never know, guys. Pepe Dang. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Memes are unbelievable. Glad you like the tunes, Brian. Hello, Greece. Makis, Evo, X, my friend. Welcome. All right, guys, that is all I have. Let's take another peek at Bitcoin before we slip and dip and call it a day. 67,965. We broke above 68. Let me know. Do you guys think that we're going to 70K today? Do you think we're going to 70K today? I think it's possible. I think it's possible. I'd love to see it. I don't know if we're going to just break right through it, though. I don't think it's going to be a swift move through. That's too easy. Too many leverage traders can win that way. And that's not how it works. But that's all I got. Until next time, guys. Smash a like. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.